Here's how to sell a car in Crew Motorfest. So, can we really sell car in Crew Motorfest? It is a game. So, let's go ahead and ask the Google first or Safari if we can sell a car. And as you can see, no, you cannot sell cars in the Crew Motorfest because it is a game that treats vehicles as a collection. So, if you win the duplicate, you receive money instead, but there's no direct sell feature in the program. So, if you wanted the money, you have to be had a duplicate car, but you can sell the duplicate car that you have. What you can only purchase is, of course, the Crew Motorfest video game. So, it is actually available through online if you're having a digital PS4, or you can go ahead and purchase its physical item if you're having a physical PS4. So, this is what it looks like to have a physical limited edition Crew Motorfest. So go ahead and enjoy and grab this game for you to be able to enjoy it.